Arjun Kapoor recently made his Twitter debut, and last night in Delhi he made his Twitter selfie debut. Now I believe you need an awesome phone for that kind of a momentous occasion. So I believe you got it now.
If I can quote myself, I broke my Twitter selfie virginity last night. I don't know what got into me that I decided to tweet that, but yeah, the lot of fans had put up a picture of yourself. I was contemplating not doing that, but then I said, might as well. If you're going to join this world, you have to embrace everything that comes with it. So and the response has been really nice. So like you said, you need an awesome phone, and the phone that I launched today is an awesome phone, and that's exactly what I did last night while I was checking out all the features yet again. I decided let's try the selfie mode, and it worked.
Now you've had a selfie queen as your co-star very recently, Alia Bhatt.
There's so many. Sonakshi is also in the. Sonakshi loves taking selfies. Alia is obviously a big fan of selfies. So I'm learning from the best.
So you must have got your own tips now. 3 particular important tips that you'd want to tell us while taking a selfie.
Yeah, मतलब tips क्या है? Don't try too hard. I always say for anything in life, the best ones are when you least expect it. As in anything in life that happens is when you least expect it, including taking pictures. You should just take the picture. Sometimes something really nice. Otherwise, बहुत pose करके, ये वो करके सब ऊट पटांग निकलता है. Sometimes you just need to go with the flow and take it. Mine, all of them that have been nice have been impulsive. Especially the ones when we were promoting 2 stages. जो आलिया ले रही थी, वो मैं कुछ ना कुछ कर रहा होता था, and she used to just come and take it, and they turned out to be okay. That's one tip. I don't smile as much, but I would tell people to smile. Apparently it helps. And get a good phone for your selfies.
Finding Fanny, I just happened to see the trailer. The fact that you've awesome company, amidst acting virtuosos, all of them.
Yes.
How was it like?
That was the whole reason for me to put myself in this position. It's not my comfort zone. मैं हिंदी में barely acting कर पाता और to put myself in English into an English film. But the beauty was Homi Arajania's conviction that I can play this character, and he chose me after watching Ishaq Zadeh. So imagine choosing Savio da Gama after watching Parma. Brilliant experience for me. It was literally going back to school and learning. As an actor, there can be no better experience than watching your fellow actors, the way they go about their business, and it helps a young actor like me to grow. Just spending time with Nasir sir behind the camera, hanging with Pankaj sir, having a conversation, Dimple ma'am, who's so energetic and full of life and so beautiful even today. And of course for me, working with Deepika, she's been a friend of mine when I was not an actor.
The fact that your co-star, Deepika Padukone, now the tattoo on her nape was like the talk of the town when it happened. Now your 3 tattoos in the film, like everybody's going ahead. I read this headline, Arjun Kapoor joins the tattoo brigade.
I already have a tattoo. That's my own personal tattoo, which is not in the film. I actually got my tattoo done after I shot for this film because I realized I like tattoos. So that is my tattoo. That's his ma.
I've heard a lot of rumors doing the round because there are people who are saying that Arjun Kapoor and Ranveer Singh might just not be that good friends, as it's touted to be, and all of that. How do you actually deal with it?
It's not people actually. There's a certain newspaper that decided that we were not, and we put that to rest. It was an unfortunate story that came out that had nothing to do with me and him. It was just dates of shooting something. It's misconstrued, unfortunate, but that's why I think I'm glad I'm on Twitter now, that these things kind of die a natural death. If you're out there on the social media where you can put an end to it. So yesterday he was tweeting to me and I was tweeting back, where we spoke about Anil Chachu and his ability to dance like Lakhan, and they did the whole rap party for Zoya's film.
We get you all the action straight from the 61st South Filmfare Awards 2014. That's coming up on the other side of this break.